Hello all, welcome to the day 45 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A ball is thrown in the air so that t seconds after it is thrown, its height h meters above its starting point is given by the polynomial h is equal to 25t minus 5t square. Observe the graph of the polynomial and answer the following questions. First question, write the zeros of the given polynomial. The curve cuts the x-axis at 2 points. One is at 0, 0 and the other one is at 5, 0. So the zeros of the polynomial x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5. Question 2. Find the maximum height achieved by the ball. Looking at the curve, we see that the maximum point is this and it has happened after 5 by 2 seconds. So now h is a function of t. H of t is equal to 25t minus 5t square. If we substitute 5 by 2 in the place of t, then we get the height. 25 times 5 upon 2 minus 5 times 5 upon 2 the whole square, which is 125 upon 2 minus 125 upon 4. On further calculating this, we get 125 upon 4, which is 31.25 meters. Question number 3, part A. After throwing upward, how much time did the ball take to reach the height of 30 meters? The ball will reach 30 meters in the upward journey and in the downward journey also. H is given as 30. 25t minus 5t square is 30. 25t minus 5t square minus 30 is equal to 0. Rearranging this, we get this expression. Now dividing this entire expression by minus 5, we get t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. On factorizing, we get t minus 3 times t minus 2, which means t is 3 and t is 2. Question number 3, part B. Find the two different values of t when the height of the ball was 20 meters. Now the height has to be taken as 20. 25t minus 5t square is 20. 25t minus 5t square minus 20 is equal to 0. Rearranging this, minus 5t square plus 25t minus 20 is equal to 0. Dividing this entire equation by minus 5, we get t square minus 5t plus 4 is equal to 0. On factorizing this, we get t minus 4 times t minus 1 is equal to 0, which means t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.